Want to make your Elementor website load faster? In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact settings to tweak in your WordPress dashboard to boost speed and performance instantly. Before we delve into the process, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. First, log in to your WordPress admin panel. From the left-hand menu, click on Elementor and go to Settings. Open the Performance tab and enable Optimized Image Loading, Optimized Gutenberg Loading, and Lazy Load Background Images. Hit Save Changes. Next, go to the Features tab. Enable Optimized Markup, Element Caching, Inline Font Icons, and Load Google Fonts locally. Save your changes again. Now head over to Element Manager. Click on Scan Elementor Usage. This will show which widgets are used most. Keep essentials like Text Editor, Heading, and Image turned on. Turn off unused ones like Google Maps, Basic Gallery, and Spacer to improve load times. Click Save Changes and confirm when prompted. Keep in mind that disabling widgets hides them from the editor and may affect the layout, so double-check before finalizing. So, like this, Elementor lets you create jaw-dropping websites with zero coding skills. Just click the link below to get started. It's an affiliate link, and using it helps me keep the content coming. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one.